Water is an essential resource for life and good health. A lack of water to meet daily needs is a reality today for 1 in 3 people around the world. Globally, the problem is getting worse as cities and populations grow and the needs for water increase in agriculture, industry, and households. This urges everyone to be part of efforts for conserving and protecting this precious resource. Fiber Technology Corporation, or FTC, was incorporated in 1992 in the state of Virginia, USA. The company's founding objective was to design and provide a simple, innovative, globally certified water storage solution by assembling GRP sectional panels in modular and flexible patterns with uncompromising levels of quality and reliability to ensure preservation of water to the highest standards of purity. A vision of a maintenance-free, clean water storage system became the key driver to the product's development. The FTC FRP, also known as GRP panel-type water tanks, have become the system of choice around the world to conserve water to the highest quality standards while addressing the shortcomings inherent to traditional storage systems, such as plastic, concrete, and steel tanks. Our FTC tanks can be utilized for residential housing in rural and urban areas, desalinization and RO plants, commercial buildings and industries, agriculture and irrigation applications, rainwater tanks, firefighting storage, offshore and onshore water storage for the oil and gas sector, local municipalities, hospitals, and schools. Today, the FTC FRP panel-type water tanks can be found in thousands of projects all over the world due to the company's widespread distribution network and worldwide international support. The American continent is serviced via the Virginia Distribution Sales and Service Center, whereas Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia are serviced from the Jebel Ali Free Zone Distribution Center in Dubai, UAE. FTC's manufacturing facility comprises of 8 state-of-the-art hydraulic presses of up to 2,000 tons compression, capable of producing sufficient panels for 500,000 U.S. gallon water storage per day. The automatic processes guarantee fast production, zero defect with uniform properties to ensure just-in-time delivery requirements. All panels are uniformly drilled by a fully automatic multiple-axis drilling machine to ensure rapid operation, supreme accuracy, and ultimate finishing. To serve both hot and cold extremes of climatic conditions, the FRP panels come with the option of full or partial thermal insulation. For this purpose, FTC's manufacturing facility comprises of thermomorphing equipment and polyurethane foam dispensing machines to produce insulated panels of 25 and 50 millimeter thickness. All raw materials and finished product batches are frequently tested in our in-house laboratory for compliance to international quality standards and parameters. Fiber Technology Corporation Management System is certified ISO 9001 for design and manufacturing of FRP tanks, which in turn comply to most international standards and are tested and approved globally by the world's premier certification organizations, which include NSF 61 USA, WRAS UK, and AS/NZ 4020 Australia and New Zealand. All these certifications are a clear testimony of the merit and trust offered by those international quality organizations. There are numerous advantages in using the FTC FRP panel-type water tanks. Following is a summary representation of 10 of the most prevailing benefits. Keeping the water clean. Panels are designed to the highest level of opacity, ensuring no light transmittance into the tank, thus preventing chlorine evaporation, bacterial, and algae growth. In addition, the hot press molding process ensures a mirror-smooth FRP panel surface, preventing adherence of any organic matter, thus removing nutrients which algae, bacteria, and microorganisms require to reproduce. The FRP material combined with the above features eliminate the risk of corrosion and water contamination, as can be seen in other conventional storage systems, such as corroded steel, rough and cracked walls of concrete, and foul smells from cylindrical fiberglass tanks with high styrene emission. These factors, combined with globally certified isophthalic-based SMC, granted FTC approvals and certifications from the world's most renowned health organizations for use with drinking water. The ultimate target for FTC is to ensure that clean, pure water is kept with the same integrity when delivered to our household, for the safety and good health of our families. Strength and long-term reliability. Aging, fatigue, and corrosion are the main drawbacks to conventional storage systems. Steel tanks' durability is limited by corrosion, thus requiring continuous, costly maintenance. Cracks caused by settlement of underground concrete water tanks result in many years of undetected water loss and are, in most cases, unrepairable. On the other hand, FTC's hot press molding production process ensures zero defect and delivers high-quality panels with constant fiberglass distribution into the laminate with the most accurate dimensional stability for utmost reliability and performance. Fiberglass roving mesh is used on the external panel surface to enhance the tensile, flexural, and shearing strength and to eliminate the risk of crack propagation. This gun experiment is a good testimony of the FTC tank's performance and reliability. The panels are computer designed using finite element analysis for optimizing stress distribution and performance during earthquakes, high winds, and extreme temperature changes, which guarantees a massive 8x safety factor of panel strength over maximum anticipated loads, proof against the worst natural disasters of the last 100 years. Sealing properties and water tightness. Convex-based panels are designed to transmit water pressure to the panel joints, increasing the sealing properties as water level increases. This self-sealing feature eliminates the possibility of separation and leakage. In addition, the joints themselves are further sealed with a UV-resistant and highly durable flexible rubber sealant of SEBS material, developed from advanced technology which maintains its properties with age and under all climatic conditions. Moreover, this O-ring-shaped sealant is ribbed in 4 locations, acting as 4 water barriers to leakage. Complete drainage. The convex base panels combined with a concave drain panel enable a free flow of water from all parts of the tank to the drainage, eliminating the possibility for static water to accumulate and become stale or contaminated. This engineered quick drain feature facilitates periodic tank cleaning. Thermal insulation. The FRP panels have superior thermal insulation properties to that of steel and will help keeping water temperatures at desired levels for much longer periods of time. As a comparative note, the FRP thermal conductivity is 240 times lower than that of steel. Moreover, thermal conductivity can be further reduced by applying insulation sheets with 25 or 50 mm polyurethane foam onto the GRP panels. These are useful especially for extreme weather conditions to help save energy for heating or chilling water. It is also ideal for industrial purposes where constant cold or hot water is required continuously. Environmentally friendly. FRP has actually been recycled for decades. Upon disposal, it can be ground down and used as filler in concrete, since the glass fibers improve the binding capability of the mix, making it a recyclable product. Using FRP in lieu of steel and aluminum leads to lower energy consumption, lower area requirements, and less generated waste during production, with the smallest impact footprint. These environmental benefits are also combined with the FTC tank's design life in excess of 40 years, reusability, and the recycling of most of its parts. Relocability. A unique feature for the FTC FRP water tanks is that, unlike concrete or steel tanks, they can be relocated to a different site even after years of usage by simple dismantling and reassembling procedures. therefore reducing the cost of acquiring new storage systems. Flexible design and modular shape. Being flexible and modular, the FTC tanks can be assembled and fitted as per the site requirements with different shapes varying from simple squared, rectangular, L, U, or even complex. Tank dimensions can vary in length and width from as little as 1 meter or 3 feet up to 50 meters or 164 feet long, and in height from 1 meter or 3 feet up to 5 meters or 16.4 feet high, with the possibility to reach 8 meters or 26 feet in height on special request. These thousands of combinations build up tanks ranging from 1 cubic meter or 250 US gallons up to 10,000 cubic meters or 2.5 million US gallons. Simplicity of handling and site installation. Due to being modular panel shaped, the tanks are palletized and shipped flat packed. An FTC panel tank can fit and be transported in a container that is 10% of its assembled volume. When on site, they are easily and quickly assembled using local contractors with basic tools and equipment. This ensures huge savings in transport costs and execution time. As a comparative note, a 1,000 cubic meter concrete tank needs more than 6 months for execution, whereas an FTC tank of similar capacity can be delivered and installed in less than 2 months from time of order. A simple step-by-step do-it-yourself installation video and manual will be supplied for every shipment when necessary. Moreover, shop drawings are automatically generated by specially designed software to assist with coordination and approvals. Cost-effective, maintenance-free solution. Steel tanks require constant cleaning and coating due to corrosion. Concrete tanks need regular and costly repairs to patch cracks and in many cases, relining to repair base and sidewalls. Non-durable plastic or hand lay-up fiberglass tanks need to be replaced regularly, disrupting water supply and incurring unnecessary plumbing costs. On the other hand, the FTC tanks being made from non-corrosive, mirror-smooth FRP material require neither internal nor external coatings, which eliminates all maintenance requirements throughout the years of its usage. This makes the FTC FRP panel type water tank a lifetime maintenance and headache-free storage solution, having the best value for money due to its lowest cost of ownership over its projected life in operation. Here are a few of the thousands of existing FTC tank installations all around the world. As water is essential for man's survival, and as it is becoming more and more precious all around the globe, an FTC storage system is a proven environmentally friendly solution to safely and cost-effectively store and preserve this precious resource, pure and clean.